what do you see some of the biggest mistakes that people often make in the maintenance reliability space, especially for new up and coming reliability leaders?
Well, one, they don't have procedures.
Okay.
People don't have repeatable procedures. That's a big one. For up and coming, I mean, that's a big one. I would definitely start writing procedure. In fact, I'd say in the last 3 years, 100% of the plants I've been in don't have repeatable procedures. They thought they did, but when really detailed out, it's not. So the worst thing that can happen if you have a failure, you pull out the procedure and say, what went wrong? And you don't do it by chastising someone. You have the technicians that worked on it. Say, guys, you see any difference in the procedure? Oh yeah, man, I missed a step. Okay, this one's on me, next one's on you. Yeah, I mean, you got to change that culture, but you can't use a hammer to do it. You got to do it, slowly.